We will be taking a look at Collectiv Sales Scorecard report based on liquor store data. The report makes use of sales scorecard data, in which the sales scorecard are excellent tools for holding sales representatives accountable, evaluating your sales process, identifying top performance, and also instilling healthy competition. Our sales scorecard not only tracks individual salespeople's performance, but also allows you to see the bigger picture of your sales process. In this report, we have 3 pages: Overview, Breakdown, and Q&A. On our Overview page, we have a slicer based on year and quarter, and Country and County, which contains our salesperson, for example, Adam or Benton. We also have our dynamic visual categories, which are revenue, percentage of sales goal reached, percentage sales last year in comparison with an indicator, number of stores, sales differences, sales goals with a target, our breakdown of top sales and their profit, and also a breakdown of sales by category. Let's jump to our breakdown page. In our breakdown page, we also have our dynamic visuals based on revenue, profit margin, number of stores, average bottle price, and average bottle cost. We also have a map with a demographic that is split into male population versus female population, with a toggle that can be switched from map to tree. In our tree, we have decomposition, which can be expanded from category name, vendor's name, item description, and store address. Let's jump to our Q&A page. In our Q&A page, we have a text field for questions. For example, we can try and search for what is the sales last year by store city, with our graphical representation of the same question. Also, we have our key influencers, in which what influence the influencer sales are between increase or decrease, and can be selected by the 2. You can select one and the average of sales decreased by. You can also sort it by impact and count. This has been a brief overview of Sales Scorecard by Collectiv. Please contact us for more details at gocollectiv.com.